I think me and Buddy were gonna head out today, maybe go up to Wolfville, check out the sales at Trail Shop. About 4 inches of snow that fell after midnight. However, we're getting another inch or two of rain and a high +8. Used the 101 from Halifax to Lower Sackville. It was nice and clear, but as soon as we got past exit 3, it got a little ugly. So I don't know if the crew's got a chance to make it up here or not yet. So we'll just take our time, not much in a hurry.
On Talk Radio XM 165. Right. Every man who calls right now, we're going to try our best to
Well, found a couple of things at Trail Shop, not as many buys as I thought. Alright, had to stop by Just Us Coffee Roasters on the way out, so I had to get me some of the good stuff.
The best of times, so oh look, Sasha's I like
You! Just got a little bit wet there. Went to the dog park, ran into Nancy and Lady and Norma and Sasha and a couple other dogs. So ran around in the slush, getting a little wet because, hey, gotta have some rain after a snowstorm, right? So headed back home to dry off.